let me show you this Z3 IEM from BirdDance. This is not a true unboxing because I did remove this thing because it was kind of hard to take off, but really nice packaging. Interesting that this is packaged especially for the US market. And this is the back. So let me show you what is inside. Nice packaging. Instruction menus. Oh, look at that. What do you think? Pretty nice, huh? And then this is accessories. Take this out here. It comes with, oh, I like this. Hard carrying case. That's always appreciated, even though I have a bunch of cases, but it's good that it includes one that you need. Sounds like extra ear tips and more ear tips. So that's that. But this is the important part, right? Let's look at this. Again, nice packaging. And that is the unit. So let me find the correct ear tips, set it up, and then give it a try.